y'all. I am going out into the peoples again today because I need to buy some more fabric to make these matching masks and turbans and headbands. Stay tuned, or maybe this is gonna end up being afterwards. Anyways, here's what I'm gonna do today. I never found the camera I was looking for, so I could do a few driving scenes for y'all real quick, but I'll try to catch some stuff. And I only have two places to go: the drugstore and the fabric store. So see you later. I'm at Tapio Hospital, and this is what it looks like on the outside. I spent 3 days here in 2013, and I don't like the pharmacy. I find air circulation is not great. It's not as crowded as it normally is, but it seems like all of the doctor's offices have people waiting. I hate this. I hate this place with a passion. They suck here. But I'm cute, aren't I? Y'all, I love St. Lucia, but sometimes people will use any power they have to make things hard. And I emailed my prescription to the pharmacy and called to follow up, and they're like, we don't do that. I said, well, can you please prepare my prescriptions ahead of time? I am on my way. No, we don't do that. So you know what they didn't do? They didn't do that. So you know what I did? I had to go stand in line at the pharmacy, and if you can't see now, I look like crap because I also feel like crap because I'm having trouble breathing because I had to wait. And you want to know the best part? I will tell you the best part. The best part of all this is my prescription used to be $18 and it is now $50. How am I supposed to live if all of my prescriptions just keep going up? Like, what the hell is this? I need to be able to survive. These people need to calm the F down. Food's going up too. All I ever buy is medication and food. I'm really upset about this. It's like depressing to me. Being alive is so expensive and hard because, you know, I'm always in pain. I always have to deal with all the things for being in pain and for having asthma and take the medications and eat the right foods and take the supplements. Okay, y'all. I did not take my portable charger. Big mistake. So I forgot I was gonna have data on and it would drain my battery. So hopefully I can show y'all the fabric store a little bit when I go to buy the fabric. Let's walk around the city of Castries. You're gonna get very familiar with it if I keep making these videos. Oh, look, a car goes by. There's me, my backpack purse, my matching turban and mask. Hi, how y'all doing? How's everybody doing? Okay, I'm done showing y'all me. Now we're just gonna look around the city, apparently at the sidewalk, because apparently I'm bad at filming. And you can see some of the old like architecture and design elements were preserved. You can see police walking around because there's some mandate now that you have to wear a mask. So if you don't wear a mask in the city, the police can give you a ticket. And we're going down this street now. Oh, that is one of the Catholic schools on the other side. What? That is gross. I'm only now seeing this pile of garbage. Gross. Business people. Okay, this is a fabric store. It's more expensive here than the fabric store that we're going to go to. But I did end up coming back here to get some bias tape because I forgot at the first store. So here we go. We keep walking, and this street is one way, and we're walking opposite the flow of traffic, and people will be walking around selling fruits and vegetables from carts. I don't know where they get the carts or the vegetables. I just know they sell it. That's just what happens. So here's the back wall of one of the schools. I think that's Ave Maria, but I cannot be sure because I always get turned around when I come to this part of the city. But hey, I know how to get where I need to go. I just get turned around a little bit. So let's look down this street, and you can see everybody's wearing a mask because they don't want to get a ticket. That's just how it works here now. And then you see more buildings, sidewalks, and such things. Oh look, toys! A Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, I always wanted one of those cars I could fit in when I was a little girl. Now I just want a regular car, a van to be exact. But if you've been in my lives, you've heard me talk about it. And I zoomed in down there just to show y'all that building on the left, that's government housing. I showed it to y'all in previous videos. There's quite a few different ones. Let's cross the street. Ooh, there's some street vendors. See another person selling fruits and vegetables out of a cart. At this point is where I started to get extremely tired because I'm not used to walking so much in the heat, soaking wet in sweat, and so many people. We try to avoid the busy streets, but as you can see, still a lot of people. You gotta keep your mask on. Oh look, a lingerie store. We do not go in there. I used to go to this natural food store, and it's been through so many changes. I don't go in there anymore. I was going to go see if they had chocolate after the fabric store, but one, I forgot. Two, I was exhausted. Oh, a line. I hate lines. In a goods vehicle. See, the city is pretty busy. Some stores put tables with their wares outside their stores so people can buy things. Are we there yet? Did y'all see that payphone? I was kind of just trying to get to the fabric store because y'all, I don't like being outside in the people. It's so busy. No, it's not like New York City busy, but look at all these people. Okay, get out of the way, car. I gotta go. Oh, are we almost there? Yes, it looks like we're almost there. Almost at the fabric store. This place sells things. Who cares? I mean, people care. We're almost there. I can't wait. Just a little further and I got to go to the fabric store. At the end of that street is the Chaussee Street. It's pretty important. I don't remember why. I just wanna go into the fabric store, get my fabric and go home. This is a fabric store, y'all. It's called Errands. And they're currently having a 20% off sale, and I'm about to go in. I finished all my shopping. I bought a few different things and I am all peopled out and I'm ready to go home. I just have to wait for my friend to finish in the last store. I'm walking to meet her and then we're gonna head home. Woo! That was a lot, y'all. I can't wait to it's really loud. Really, really loud. I cannot wait to show y'all all the things I bought.
just fabric really.
I wanted to show you all this haul that I did. It's a piggy bank, like a can, and I use a can opener to take off the top, and it's now a brush holder. I'm gonna get a second one so I can have one for my clean brushes and one for my dirty brushes. And I also got this notebook that's also unicorns, and this little bubble wand that's supposed to be Peppa Pig. Now for the mountain of fabric. So I got some plain colors: red, orange, the shade of blue, that shade of blue that's more like a turquoise teal, and that shade of blue that's more like a royal blue, and the shade of green, and that shade of green. And then and yellow. Okay, so then I got more of this flower fabric. I got red, I got more of the blue, and I got the green, and I got this rainbow fabric, which is so cool. And then I have a very small amount of this orange and this purple, because I had a request for orange and purple, but they're a little more expensive. Plain black fabric. Then I got a whole bunch of sparkly fabrics. So I got green, obviously. I got black, definitely. I got red, gold, and blue. Okay, so that's all the fabric I got. We also went to the supermarket, but I was exhausted by then, so I didn't film any of that because I didn't want to. But it was a nice outing, and I hope I do not have to go out again for the rest of the year. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And that's it for now. Bye.
If you enjoyed my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends so that they can enjoy my content too. And I'll catch you in the next video.